Hey guys, hope everybody's doing great this Sunday morning. I took and was looking through the pantry and I found that I had an extra can of the Spam left over from Spamtember. So I'm going to go ahead and use that. I'm just going to make a quick little breakfast bowl. I've got a potato from a roast we had last night. If that's not enough, I'll go cut up another one. I know there was another one in there. And I'm going to take and be the first cook for this BSR Red Mountain #6. Alright guys, got the chopped up Spam and the potatoes in there. We will take and let it cook a little bit, let it get crispy, and then we'll add the eggs in. Alright guys, got the eggs in there. I went ahead and broke the yolks because I want it to all cook together. We'll let it cook for a little bit so it'll take and harden up, and then I'll take and flip it over, and it should be good to go. Alright, everything came out great, and the old Red Mountain #6 did great. Nothing stuck to it. Everything just wiped right out.